Alright, so here's a real quick rundown of a computer's power supply. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that the capacitors are drained, and they appear to be. This is measuring 73 millivolts, so that's fine. So the AC waveform comes in and is rectified by this bridge rectifier, and that rectified voltage is stored in these capacitors. And these guys switch on and off, allowing the voltage that's stored in here to pass through these transformers. And here's the output of the transformer. This is the center of the transformer, so you could kind of call it the common of the transformer. And there are several voltages that come out of the bottom of this, so you can see there are 6 things that come out of that transformer. And they are then sent to these, which will rectify the voltages that come out, and those rectified voltages are then stored in these capacitors according to what voltage they are, say 5 volts, 12 volts, 0.3 or 3.3 volts, and so on. And here's the common ground here. You can see this is the transformer's ground or center, and that comes down here and is connected to this big mass of solder, which is connected to these black wires. And you can also see this capacitor's ground connects here as well, so that's a pretty good indicator saying the negative of this capacitor is ground. Now that's clearly a positive voltage. If it was a negative, it would be inverted. Alright, so I'm going to apply power to this. So I'm going to turn on the AC power, and to get the power supply to actually turn on and start putting out power, you need to short the green wire here to ground. Now if you're going to do this, be extremely careful because this is dangerous. And you're going to hear some buzzing because I'm not grounded. And that's a good thing. So here's the black lead, and I'm putting that to the ground, and I believe this is the 5 volts. Hopefully you can see that on the DMM okay. So that's 5 volts. This is the 12, and here's a 3.3. And I believe this is a negative. Yeah, this is the negative 5. And there's the 3.3 again. So you could see that I never lifted the black from this mass of solder here where all the black leads come together. So it is a common ground. Anyway, thanks for watching.